And now the news in detail. The President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, conferred Padma Shri Award to Silbi Passah in the field of art from Meghalaya during the civil investiture ceremony in New Delhi. Silbi Passah, a resident of Samthia, Shillong, is a retired Hindi teacher, a resource person of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan and the Directorate of Educational Research and Training, and a renowned artist, and at the same time assisting SCERT, DERT in connection with training the teachers in art and craft, acting, dancing and singing. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma congratulated her on her feat.
Distribution of the Padma Awards by the Honorable President of India, and among the recipients was our very own citizen of our state, Confers Passah, and I take this opportunity to really congratulate her for all the work and the contributions that she has given in the past many years, and also for making all of us proud.
Meghalaya Police has registered a case against